We are here because we are going to teach you guys how to do a really cool sun catcher using things from nature. So Parker and I went on a little scavenger hunt a while ago. And Parker, you want to show them some of the things that we came up with?
Yes. Some of the things that we got were
Leaves.
Another one.
Yep.
And then like one of these.
Very cool.
And then we got one of these.
Oh yeah.
And then we got one of these.
And some leaves. All right. So what are we going to do with all this stuff, Parker?
We're going to make a
Sun catcher.
sun catcher.
Should we show them what it's going to look like?
Yeah.
Okay. So our sun catcher is going to look like this. And you can hang them in your window. They're really cool. So we're going to get started making one right now. I am going to flip my camera around. All right, maybe not. Now, Parker, so what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can put this right here. You can see yourself, right? Okay. We are going to start with a heart. Do you need help with your heart?
Yes.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold a paper in half. We're going to cut out a great big heart. You can get someone to help you if you want to get someone to help you. Parker, I'll let you grab that. Now, once you have your heart, you want to do it one more time so that you have a double heart that has a hole in the middle. And the reason we need a hole in the middle is so that we can put our nature things that we found in the inside. And we're going to be using some contact paper today. And contact paper looks like this. It's just some clear, sticky paper. And we're going to take our heart. We're going to stick it down to our contact paper. And let me show you what this is going to look like. Okay. So we have our contact paper. Now, Parker is going to come over here and he is going to start decorating his heart. So Parker, you ready? And you can put it in there any way you want. Now, can you just do things from nature, or can you also like get things like paper and stuff like that too?
Yes, you can get things like paper too.
Okay. Are you gonna do a little bit of both, or you just gonna stick with nature?
I'm gonna do a little bit of both.
Okay. Nice. Now the hard part's gonna be when we start pulling off the sticky. You can just leave that there because if something sticks to it, it's staying. I learned that on mine a while ago. But the hard part's gonna be when we start pulling off the sticky and trying to stick it back on top. So it definitely takes two people and two hands to do that. Very interesting, I like it.
Okay, that's about all.
Is that all? All right, so I'm gonna put the phone back up here. And we'll see if we can still see us. Yes, we can still see us. All right, here's the tricky part. You ready? So we're going to take another piece of our contact paper. We're going to pull off the sticky part. And this is when I need my friend Parker here pulling. Nice and slow. Good job. All right, so now we have our sticky piece, and Parker, I'm gonna get you to help me. If you get that side, I'm gonna hold this side. We're gonna stick it down, and I'll smush it down. Just take your hands and smush it all over your heart. There you go. All right, so we've got our sun chaser. Now what we need to do is we need to get our scissors and we're going to cut out around our heart. So you want to do that? Here's you some scissors. And you're just going to cut right along the edge of your heart. That really turned out cool. I like that. You know what window you're gonna hang it in?
Might do it my window.
Ah, that sounds like a great idea. Good job. Kind of sticky. Yeah, I don't think I would see. Thank you for coming over and helping me today. We might have to make some more of these later, huh? Awesome. You want to hold it up to the camera and show them what it looks like? And Parker has his very own sun catcher. Thank you, Parker. All right, guys. It was great seeing you today.